Sure, absolutely. So moving money generally cross-border has always been a very difficult thing when it comes to A, businesses, and B, consumers. Two, I think 3 or 4 things really stand out for me. One is the speed at which money moves. So people in today need money to arrive in the beneficiary as fast as possible, as instantly as possible, more than they used to. Secondly, they want it to arrive as at low cost as possible. So with as many, as less fees as possible, not as many fees as possible. And B, thirdly, as transparent as possible. So they want to know when their money will arrive, exactly how much will arrive, and they want that to a high level of accuracy. I think the fourth thing really comes down to is the convenience. So moving money, generally speaking, is quite a cumbersome process, especially when it comes to doing that cross-border. They want that to be as easy as possible, as convenient as possible, within a few steps or a few clicks, just how we're seeing across most of the banking and financial journeys that we're seeing today. So I think you can really bucket it into those 4 things, I'd say. Yeah, it's a great question, and one that I'm often faced with and trying to figure out for our own clients as well. I think 5 to 10 years from now, we'll probably be in a world where instant is very much adopted. So I think today with Wise, we're proud to say that 55% of our payments moving around the world are settling into the beneficiary's bank within 20 seconds. But the market still has a way to catch up, and we still have plenty of work to do to get to 100%. But I think that's where we're really going to be spending a lot of time. And I think even just being here at Money20, you can see how many different people within the payments industry are actually just focusing on how can money move as fast as possible. Yeah, absolutely. So it's a really great opportunity to meet a lot of people. I don't know what the official number is this year, but it felt like last year was somewhere between 8,000 to 10,000 people. And like I said, within my role, we're really focusing on how we can work with lots of banks, as many fintechs and enterprises to power money movement for them. This is a really good opportunity for us to meet a lot of them, to hear about the problems that they're looking at solving, but also tell them a bit about how we can help them and help their customers through working together. So my role here at Wise is very much to think about how we partner with these institutions, and I feel at an event like this is a really good opportunity to meet as many of them as possible and get to know each other.